Hello everyone, so I'm gonna explain how to set up a basic web application on web server, MySQL server and Firewall server using 3 CentOS 7 VM architecture. This is a diagram given for our project assignment. First, we have internet. Then we have public IP, which is our home router that connect to host PC. Next, we have private IP, which is network that we use in these 3 VM to communicate each other. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up for the Firewall server. First, we need to set up our network app VisualBox. For this Firewall server, we use 2 adapters and we use bridge adapter. Let's open the terminal first. Why we use bridge adapter? Because we can see here ifconfig okay, it will give you 2 network, which is this one and this one. So let's continue our configuration. First, we have to log into root. And we need to install HTTPD first. We have to install this HTTPD because it will show the web testing for the connection between host PC and Firewall server. Okay, we have to wait. We type Y for the for continue the installation. Okay, we have to wait again for the installation complete. Okay, it's complete. Okay, to verify our installation is success, we can type systemctl start httpd. So we need to enable it to use it. We change to enable. Then if we want to check it is running or not, we type systemctl status httpd. So as we can see, our HTTPD is running and active. Next, we do a configuration of our IP address. As you know, we need to have 2 network, which is public and also the private. So we type vim/etc/sconfig/network-scripts /ifcfg-emp S3. And in here we can see it have some detail, and then we have to edit. For the boot pro tool, we edit for the static. We use static because it is more easier to configure. And then we need to add IP address. One 92.168.0.30, and then we add subnet 255.255.255.0, and then we add a network 192.168.0.0, and then we add a broadcast 192.168.0.255, and then we add gateway for bypass connection between the firewall server and also the host. So this gateway we will get from host PC, and then we need to copy first for the later on. And then we save. Now we edit for the EMP0S8. Okay, we paste that we copy just now, and then we need to edit some IP address. Okay, 30.15. It because EMP0S8 will be configured as a private network. So for the network also we change to 30, broadcast 2, and gateway will change to IP EMP0S3 IP address. As you can see here, the UUID and name is same with the EMP0S3. So we have to change it because it cannot have the same UUID. So what we want to do, we need to save first this file, and then we need to generate the new UUID for the EMP0S8. So this is the command. Okay, we copy this one. Okay, we go back to the Vim, and then here the name we need to change to EMP0S8, and the UUID, okay, we delete this one, and then we paste that we copy just now. Okay, and then for the device also we change the name. Okay, and then we save this one. See, we save back. Okay, and then we mount -A to see any error, and it doesn't have any error. Okay, so we want to change the configure that we edit just now. So we need to restart network. So systemctl restart network. So here we have to wait. Okay, let's check. Okay, here as you can see, for the EMP0S3, the IP address already changed, and for the EMP0S8 also already changed. So let's continue our configuration. First, make sure that the IP tables, IP6 tables, and EB tables services are must. So this is the command. Okay, it already must. So next, we will next we will see NMCLIT. In here we can see that EMP0S3 already connected, and EMP0S8 also already connected. Okay, next we will get active for the firewall. Active dash zones. Okay. So as you can see, only the public has a person. So we want to configure EMP0S3 as a public and EMP0S8 as a private. We will state the DMZ as a public network, and inside the public network we'll have private network. So how to configure? We need to remove the interface first. So here the command, remove interface EMP0S3. Okay, it not only remove the interface, but we need to remove the zones or zone also. So zone, go to public, okay, and it's success. Okay, next we need to add EMP0S3 to the new zone, which is the DMZ. So we change remove to add. In this command we change remove to add, and then the zone we change to DMZ. Okay, enter. So it's success, and then we check back. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, in here you can see DMZ already to EMP0S3, and public EMP only have EMP0S8. Okay, Next, we need to check the list of services for the public and DMZ. So firewall, CMD, list services, then we check public first. So public, okay, enter. Then we have to wait. Okay, as you can see, it only have client and SSH. Okay, for the DMZ, okay, it only have SSH. Like I say before, we need to have services for HTTP and HTTPS to use the HTTPD. So here the command to add the service. Zone public. We make for the zone public first. Okay, we add service HTTP and HTTPS. And then it's success. Okay, we make for the zone DMZ. And it's success too. Okay, we need to reload first to make a change. Okay, so we check for the public. Okay, you already add HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, we need to check for the DMZ. Okay, it already add to HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, next we need to configure IPv4. So this is command vim/etc.t/ip_forward.conf. Okay, in here we insert this line. We add this line. Okay, and then we save, and then we mount -A to see any error, and it doesn't have error. Okay, next we need to verify. Okay, this is the command. IPv4.ip_forward equal to 1. Okay, enter. Okay, it already out that we add just now. And then for this confirmation that the host PC can connect with the firewall, okay, first we open the Firefox browser, then we will put the IP address for the EMP0S3 that we have been configured inside the firewall server. And then as you can see here, it will show the Apache HTTP server text page. That's all for me. Thank you.